Every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to the last day of my challenge. Okay, it's day 279 and today I'm legit terrified because I'm gonna try octopus salad, and even though I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it, not sure about the celery, not a huge fan of that, but recently we went to Croatia and Montenegro with my husband and we really enjoyed octopus salad there. By the way, just a disclaimer, I'm really new to octopus world, so I think I ate it like 5 times in total. So I have the thing. I will do exactly like Laura did. I bought the frozen one and I'm gonna boil and whatever. But my God, I'm so sure that today I'm gonna die from being scared because this will be the third instance in the kitchen when I'm cooking being scared. The first one is actually on my challenge. There's a video where I'm trying to cook mussels for the very first time. It was like pasta with mussels, something like that, and I was legit scared there. I don't remember if I put the part where I cried a bit because of being scared, but I mean all over the video you can see and feel how scared I am, which is hilarious. Of course, if you're curious, I will, why not? If I survive today, I will leave the link to that video. Then the second time I was really intimidated in the kitchen was when I bought fresh squid. Not voluntarily, I really wanted them to clean it out, but they were really busy and I was buying a really small amount, so they were like, oh, you can do it yourself. I came home and my God, the thing had tentacles and whatnot. I was so scared. But after watching a bunch of videos, I kind of collected myself and it turned out that it's not that hard, not that scary after all, questionable. And today, my God, I'm getting goosebumps. I have the whole thing, okay? I watched like 5 at least videos yesterday on how to cut the octopus, because actually Laura doesn't really show in her video how she does that. She just starts cutting tentacles and that's it. Like, what do you do? Do you eat the head? Like, I had a bunch of questions. My heart is racing. I'm so scared. So anyways, if I survive today, it will be a glorious day then. So if you're curious to see how I die from being scared, then keep on watching. We're gonna need an octopus weighing around 1 kilo, 60 grams of celery, finely chopped, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 1 clove of garlic cut in half, 9 grams of fresh parsley chopped, and salt and pepper. Okay, I already watched a couple of videos of octopuses being boiled and then cut up, so I already feel way more courageous. Let's see how it goes further. So now, I have my largest pot here, which you're supposed to fill up halfway through with water. It's still cold, no heat, nothing. And to this, I'm gonna add my frozen octopus. I'm not thawing it out. I'm gonna just put it as it is and bring everything to a boil, just like Laura did. Once boiling, I'm gonna reduce the heat to medium-low. Partially cover the pot with a lid and cook for 1.5 hours. How to put it? Okay, let's start touching it. Ah, oh my God, I'm touching it! Okay, I watched a lot of videos and I really felt like I'm prepared and I'm all courageous and whatnot, and now when I'm faced with this, oh my God, I'm like, I'm freaking out. Okay, I have my laptop there with an open video of a man, a professional, chopping up the octopus just to feel inspired and a little bit more courageous. breathe. Okay, so I've watched a lot of videos on how people chop up the octopus, and I saw some similarities among all of them. Most often they first chop off the head, then they cut the octopus in half, a little bit off center. If you flip it on the very bottom, there's this very center, so you want a little bit off-centered. And then you want to kind of separate each tentacle, and on one of them will be that center piece. So you want to get rid of that because that very center contains the beak of the octopus, and it's actually hard and not edible. So that's what we're discarding. Once I have all of the tentacles, I'll chop them up into bite-sized pieces and put there along with my life and soul, and then we will move on to the head, which is cleaned. Okay, oh my god, okay, let me just like, you see, like when I move it like so, it's like open, so it's cleaned. The only part I want to remove is this one, and then if I cannot find anything inside the head, if I can, I will just get rid of it. Honestly, I'm not touching anything. If it's empty, which it should be, I'll just chop it up also into bite-sized pieces and add there as well. And I'm very seriously considering wearing gloves because I'm freaking out, guys. I feel a little bit more courageous because I feel like you're here as well and I have the professional man there, but in any case, my heart is racing. I don't know how this will help me, but I feel like maybe I'm a bit more courageous. I don't know. Let's see. My god. Oh, that smells so nice. Okay, glove and some utensils, and I mean, I'm surviving, guys. I'm surviving. Oh my god, I honestly cannot believe I did this. Okay, coming down here slowly. So now to this I'm gonna add all of the rest of the ingredients. So that's the celery, parsley, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, garlic. I'm gonna season everything with salt and pepper and just mix to combine. And then I'm not gonna try it. I'm gonna cover it with some plastic wrap and put it into the fridge for at least a couple of hours to marinate until I calm down fully. I'm not gonna try the salad. God, did this shorten my life? I feel so proud of myself though, and if you're watching this video, it means I survived. I mean, obviously, but this was so scary. Maybe not so scary as intimidating, and you know when you're intimidated by something or someone, you build it up in your mind and then it feels worse than it actually is. So once you start doing stuff, it's not as scary. Okay, still scary, but I mean not that. Oh, okay, now I feel intimidated to eat because that's like hardcore octopus there. Okay, I will take some very inconspicuous piece. I'll take some celery, and I'm frowning because okay, this is already, I'm kind of like setting myself up to not liking the celery, but maybe it will be fine, who knows. Okay, calm down. Oh my god, I've been through so much today, guys, really. Okay, let's try. Celery, like, I should try it without the celery. I like the crunch. It's kind of milder because of the should I call it vinaigrette? But I mean, I'm like thinking, could I substitute, I wonder, celery with cucumber? Would it get too soggy? I feel like it was, if it was not celery, I would like it more. It's nice. Don't think that I don't like it. I'm just shook to my heart, to my very soul. This is actually tasty. I like the vinaigrette. I like everything but the celery. And I'm a bit intimidated of the, you know, I see the, what are they called? Like those things, suction things on the tentacles. I've been through too much, really. This is great salad. This is really like, if you're someone who also like was like, oh my god, I could never do that. Like, if you've watched this video so far, like up to this moment, then you know you can do this. I mean, I was like, you saw. I really like octopus. I mean, I feel intimidated by it, but the texture of it is totally not like seafood-like. It's soft, it's not rubbery, it's not fishy, it's really flavorful, and I don't know, if you feel brave enough, I would really suggest trying. Now, okay, so that the tentacles are not in my face, I'll just put it there. Story time. I will share this funny moment of me trying octopus for the very first time. So I was, I think, still in high school, and my mom brought me to a sushi restaurant, which was a big deal. We didn't have a lot of those back in that day. And I don't remember what we ordered, but there was like this thing, I don't know the real name. I call everything that looks like sushi, like everything from that cuisine, I just call sushi. So we ordered this one thing which was like wrapped with a seaweed, and on that sushi thingy there was a part of an octopus, and this was the first time I actually saw it, like, you know, in front of me, and I was so curious to try it, but I was so scared. And until I closed my eyes, stopped breathing, and like just quickly put it in my mouth, not really even understanding the taste, I couldn't really do it. I just had to like totally zone out. Those, I think a lot of people feel that way, but it's just, my god, I'm too old to be that scared of food, but I was sweating, legit sweating today, and I was scared. So I mean, if you don't give me a like for making this, I'll feel disappointed. So if you want to see how someone very nonchalantly, like it's totally not a big deal, makes the salad, then you, first compare. This is the picture, and you can find the link there and just go and watch that. She's awesome. I love Laura, but I mean this is scary. Though I'm now, okay, when I come down and I try it again, I'm sure now I could like go on this adventure again, because I really, really enjoy octopus. And I feel like it's something, oh my god, I'm talking too much, aren't I? Like, I'm an emotional guy. So it's something like you need to get used to, just like, you know, intimidation wise, but once you do, you really love it. Like all seafood, like it's scary to open things and, you know, take out things. I've never eaten lobster, and part of me really wants to try that, but then I'm quite sure I won't be able to open it up because I'm just too scared to touch the thing. So anyways, this is a great recipe if you're like a really brave person, or if you're Italian apparently, then give it a try and let me know, did you survive? So thank you so much for watching. I know it was fun for you. It wasn't that fun for me, but I know it was fun for you. And that's it. Again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for giving me a like and subscribe if you haven't already, because, you know, I bring myself to brim like that of trying new scary things every day. And I'll see you soon. Bye.